Hello all.
So today's MCQ is a fetal ultrasound at 20 weeks shows absence of sacrum with abrupt termination of lower spine associated with abnormal lower limb posture. What maternal condition is most strongly associated with this fetal anomaly? A. Gestational diabetes mellitus. B. Pre-gestational diabetes mellitus. C. ACE inhibitors exposure during the first trimester. D. Maternal intake of sodium valproate.
So now in this MCQ, the key word is absence of sacrum with abrupt termination of lower spine. It means there is sacral agenesis, and this is the most specific finding of caudal regression syndrome, and which is the most specific congenital anomaly for pre-gestational diabetes mellitus, that is overt diabetes. Because overt diabetes में क्या होता है, even in the first trimester there is hyperglycemia, and that will affect the embryogenesis, and this is the most specific congenital anomaly. And remember, the most common congenital anomaly is the cardiovascular for overt diabetes, that is pre-gestational, right? And most specific is caudal regression syndrome, and sacral agenesis is the part of that, right? Now see the other options. Other option like ACE inhibitor exposure, yes, it is. ACE inhibitors are also contraindicated as an antihypertensive during pregnancy because they lead to renal toxicity and oligohydramnios. And then maternal intake of sodium valproate lead to neural tube defect. Remember this, folic acid deficiency and neural tube defect. These are the findings in cases of sodium valproate. And the basic distractor here is the gestational diabetes mellitus. Gestational diabetes mellitus, it develops in the second trimester, not in the first trimester. ये 24 weeks के आसपास develop होती है, right? So the answer here is pre-gestational diabetes mellitus, and remember, most specific is caudal regression syndrome, and sacral agenesis is the part of it.
So trick to solve this question is sacrum with abrupt termination of lower spine is caudal regression syndrome, and it is the most specific anomaly in cases of diabetes mellitus, that is overt.
That is overt or pre-gestational, not in the gestational, क्योंकि gestational बाद में develop होती है, embryogenesis first trimester में होती है, इसलिए congenital anomalies usually जो हैं जितनी भी होती हैं, they are associated with the overt or pre-gestational diabetes mellitus. Thank you.
Thank you.